It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
What's the future of a finger spinner? Say a bit like an Ashwin, you got 300 wickets so quickly.
No, you can't let him
What's
go.
the future for someone like Ashwin, for example?
You can't let him fade away so quickly, because 300 wickets is not a matter of joke. You know, we always feel it's a common trend that what's not playing is probably better, but it's not the case sometimes. I think Ashwin has a place in the side. He will reinvent himself because he's been challenged. He's felt competition in the squad. He knows that Kuldeep's up for his test place, which is going to happen very shortly if India win the T20 and the one days. So he will reinvent. We saw the leg spin in the IPL.
Yes.
He will get better. But all must realize that 300 wickets don't come that. So he deserves a lot more opportunities, and a lot of players who quickly feel that it's time to push him over.
Wonderful talking to you. I still get the feeling that there is in you someone who's captaining the Indian side, but from 90 meters away, 100 meters away, sometimes from 500 kilometers away.
Yeah, but that's always going to happen, isn't it? Because you're so passionate about the game, you want India to win, you work on television, you're analysing the game all the time. So you still remain in the mode of analysing cricket matches, and I do it, and I love it, and I really feel that this team in this series is going to do something special.